Hello, and welcome to the My Reemployment Program. This brief video is designed to help you complete the My Reemployment Plan documentation sent to you by the Kansas Department of Labor. It's important that you complete your My Reemployment Plan as quickly as possible. Here's why. If you're receiving unemployment benefits from the state of Kansas, you're required to complete and submit your My Reemployment Job Search Plan and your completed resume within 7 days of being notified by the state. All you need to do is either log in to your kansasworks.com account or create a new account. If you miss the 7-day deadline, your unemployment benefits could be interrupted. The first step is to create or log in to your Kansas Works account. If you have an account, go to kansasworks.com and find the box in the lower right-hand corner of the home page that says Login. Then just enter your username and password and click that blue Login button. If you forgot your username or password, click on the blue links that say Username or Password. They're beneath that blue login box. When you click on the word Password, you'll be taken to a page where you can enter your username, then click on the blue Submit button. From there, you'll be taken to a page that gives you 3 options to recover your password. If you've forgotten your username, click on that link, and you'll be redirected to a page where you'll enter the email address you used when you created your Kansas Works account. Then, click on the Submit button and follow the instructions. If you don't have a Kansas Works account, find the words in the middle of the page that say Need an account? Create one now, and click on the Job Seekers link and follow the instructions. Make sure when you do create an account, you write down your password and keep it someplace safe. In fact, many people write down their login and password on a piece of paper, then take a photo of that piece of paper with the camera on their cell phone. If you're unable to retrieve your username or password using the methods we just discussed, go to the bottom of the home page and find the Chat Now button. Click there, and someone will chat with you online to help you recover your username or password. If you have questions about completing your My Reemployment Job Search Plan, you have several options to get help. You can call the statewide toll-free number to speak to someone who can help you. You can also use the live chat button to get assistance. You can visit the website www.kansasworks.com/contact to find the nearest workforce center, or you can go to the kansascommerce.gov/MRP website. That website has a lot of helpful information available. Once you're logged into your Kansas Works account, the next steps are easy. Step 1 is to upload or create your resume. If you're uploading your resume, Kansas Works accepts both Microsoft Word and PDF documents. Step 2 is to add your job skills. And the final step is to preview and publish your resume. Now, let's go through the steps in uploading or creating your resume using the Resume Builder in Kansas Works. First, click on the link that says My Resumes. When you do, you'll be given a choice to either upload your resume or create a resume in Kansas Works. Either way, Kansas Works walks you through the steps to do this. Regardless whether you build or upload your resume, you'll be asked for a resume title and occupation. Make sure your resume title is worded in a way that gets the attention of companies that are looking for people with your skills. Something like Experienced HVAC Technician, or Master Plumber, or Skilled Auto Mechanic. Those words, experienced, master, and skilled, will set you apart from the other job candidates. Then, in the occupation box, type in the job title of the work you're looking for and choose from the drop-down list that appears. Next, using the Resume Builder, complete the list of qualifications you have in order to perform the job you're searching for. When you start typing in the Filter Qualifications box, you'll get drop-down lists of skills to choose from. When you click on the Talents, Tools, and Activities link, lists of skills related to that job will appear. Then just check the boxes indicated by the skills you have. Finally, make sure you go through your resume and check the spelling and punctuation. Employers definitely pay attention to those details, and so should you. Employers will carefully read your resume, so it's in your best interest to get someone else to help you proofread it. Once you've done that, click the Publish button. Then check to make sure you see the green box that shows your resume was completed successfully. Now, you'll open either the English or Spanish version of your online My Reemployment job search plan and complete it by filling out the form. As you're completing the plan, right-click on the link that says www.mynextmove.org/explore/IP and open it in a new window in your browser. That link will direct you to the ONET Online My Next Move Interest Profiler, where you'll keep clicking on the Next button until you've answered all of the questions. After you've completed the Interest Profiler, click the Next button, and you'll see a chart like the one at the top that identifies your results. Then go back to your My Reemployment Plan browser window and enter your top 3 job interests. Back in your ONET Online browser window, keep clicking the Next button until you come to the page with the numbers 1 through 5 in the oval at the top of the page. Click on the number 4 to see the top 3 jobs that show up in your job category. Back on your My Reemployment Plan browser window, enter those top 3 jobs in the boxes beneath the sentences that say My Top Careers that fit my interests and preparation level. Finally, back in your My Reemployment Plan browser window, after you've completed your Work Search Prep section, type your full name in the signature box and click the Submit button. After that, you're done. If you have any questions about how to complete your My Reemployment job search plan, the Kansas Department of Commerce's website, kansascommerce.gov/MRP, has a lot of good information. The site's Frequently Asked Questions section covers such topics as how to upload your resume, create your resume using the Kansas Works website Resume Builder, and how to complete the skills matcher on your ONET Online Interest Profiler. Don't forget, it's important that you complete your My Reemployment job search plan quickly so your unemployment benefits can continue. We hope we've helped you learn how to complete your My Reemployment job search plan and add your resume to your Kansas Works webpage. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your job search.